The biggest game in world cricket here after a while, India versus Pakistan. We are going to talk all about it here at Time Out with Sports Adda. Arun, I called it the biggest game in international cricket. I hope the England and the Australian fans won't feel offended.
No match, Akhil. Absolutely no match to what an India-Pakistan contest brings. I cannot wait to get to the ground today. That's how excited I am. What do they say? It's the mother and father of all cricket contests.
Yeah,
Nothing
I
can
didn't
match
want
an
to go there.
India-Pakistan. Nothing
I
can
did
match an India-Pakistan contest, Akhil.
absolutely. And I mean, what is the kind of atmosphere right now before the match? You're there in the city. Are you seeing a lot of Indians, a lot of Pakistanis travel there?
I can tell you one thing. I mean, we are in a bubble, so we don't venture out much. But the insane amount of requests you get for tickets tells you there's a lot of excitement.
Hmm.
People want to be there at the stadium.
I traveled for the India Pakistan 2015 game, Arun, to Adelaide, and
Mohali.
there were the 2015 game in Adelaide.
Sorry, yeah, sorry. Yeah, okay.
So
Yeah.
unbelievable atmosphere there. My hotel was entirely flooded with everybody just having to come watch the game, singing the national anthem. I mean, it's difficult to explain that when there are like so many people singing that anthem, and then you see the players charge in. Unbelievable atmosphere. I've visited a lot of cricket matches, but that was something very special.
I mean, if cricket's a religion, this is a pilgrimage. An India
Well
Pakistan
said.
game is a pilgrimage. And I can't wait to get to the stadium today.
Very well said. Okay, fantastic. So we are back here at Time Out with Sports Adda. We are going to talk about the interesting matchups that are there. Uh, Not India, Pakistan. Arun, everybody knows the record. Lot of TV commercials have been created about the one-sided nature of the contest that we've had in ICC tournaments, if I may call it that. Clear favorites,
Let's
India.
just give the numbers away. It's small matter of 7-0 in ODI World Cups. India are 7-0 in ODI World Cups and
Yeah.
5-0 in T20 World Cup. So it's 12-0 in favor of India. But it's a fresh day. The sun's come out again. It's a beautiful looking day outside. You never know what's going to happen today. That's the mystery.
Absolutely. And what the Pakistanis will also be looking at it is it's a huge opportunity for them, right? They must be waiting to play India. They haven't played India for a while. Lot of the people playing T20 cricket in the current teams, they haven't played too much of the India Pakistan matches. So for the Pakistan team also, this is like a huge opportunity. They know that if they play well against India, they win a couple of matches, important matches like how Fakhar Zaman got at 100. They
Yeah.
are going to be really, really looked after in Pakistan. Their popularity will really rise up the ranks. So this is for them, it's a big opportunity.
Yes, and remember, it- Pakistan as a team might not have that much momentum, but the players have played a lot of T20 cricket, Akhil.
T20 cricket.
They
Yeah.
they played the PSL, they played the national T20 competition in Pakistan. Just looking at the T20 scene, the global T20 scene this year, I think it's Babar Azam, it could be Mohammad Rizwan on top and somebody else at number two. They've been in
Yeah.
phenomenal form this year in T20 cricket. A lot of them have been playing cricket. That's good for them. Just like the Indians have been playing in the Indian T20 League coming into this.
Yeah.
That's good. It's going to be a very exciting contest because players have form, players have momentum behind them. When the engine's well oiled, you
Yeah.
just don't know what's going to happen. You can breeze through. So yeah, it's going to be really exciting.
Hmm. Okay, so I'm going to jump in right to the important matchups that we think we want to look forward to as cricket fans. And the first one that we had picked today is the openers from Pakistan. I mean, we were both surprised at the kind of consistency they've shown in PSL. Also, we watched them open the innings, and these are numbers which are brilliant, isn't it, as an opening pair?
I mean, for a second, I actually thought these numbers could have been incorrect because I couldn't believe the amount of runs Rizwan has scored. Ever since he's burst
Hmm.
onto the scene. Uh,
Hmm.
uh, 1,000 runs in no time, Akhil. Really, and look at those. Look at the strike rate. It's acceptable. It's not great. 129 is an acceptable strike rate. But
Yeah,
the fact that he averages 44 tell you he's finishing off games, and that's the threat for India. Uh, India have struggled for breakthroughs early on, in white ball cricket.
mm,
And now there are questions surrounding the form of Bhuvneshwar Kumar. How long can you keep Jasprit Bumrah going? Shami's been
yeah.
outstanding, yes. So these two become really important. If these two are not dislodged early on, India are in for trouble.
And opening pairs from Pakistan as youngsters when we were growing up, Arun, as fans,
Two
Anwar and
left-handers,
Sohail,
two
exactly, two
left-handers.
left. They really were the threat, right? When we were watching cricket, we were watching this all the runs scored by them. That phenomenal counter attack at Bangalore when they had to chase a daunting target. Those are memories that keep coming back, and we are hoping that these two will score runs. But there's a different threat that they have to counter now. The Indian bowling attack is really different, really sharp. And what Virat Kohli has at his disposal is a lethal weapon named as Jasprit Bumrah.
Jasprit Bumrah and Mohammad Shami. Akhil, Bumrah's numbers, if I mean, it's unimaginable. He's played 50 matches, Akhil, 50 T20
Wow.
internationals. Look at that economy rate. Don't look at anything else. 50 matches, somebody who normally bowls all 4 overs in a match, to still have an economy rate of 6.67. And mind you, he bowls the difficult overs. And he's
Mm,
been used in a variety of roles, Akhil. So fabulous contest this is going to be. It's also going to be interesting to see how Virat Kohli uses Bumrah.
yeah.
Does he use him new ball? Does he use him 1 over with the new ball? Does he use him, like IPL captains do? Does he come on later in the innings? Do they get one
Mm.
over from him in the power play? It's going to be fascinating to watch. You can only bowl 4 overs of Bumrah. Bumrah's not the answer to your 20 over, cry.
And those 4 overs are gold, absolutely. Like you picked on, whenever they need a wicket, Jasprit Bumrah comes on. If they want to bowl that both the difficult overs, gets the opposition down in the 19th over, you have Jasprit Bumrah. So he's your answer to a lot of problems. And it's virtually like they're if they can dismantle Jasprit Bumrah like they managed in the Champions Trophy final, then the task suddenly the teams appear to be on an even pedestal. So for Pakistani openers, if they can knock
Yeah.
a few runs off Bumrah, it will be a vital thing.
Yeah, yeah, you're right. The other contest I'm looking forward to is him. It's not a matchup, but Jasprit Bumrah against Shaheen Afridi. Uh, the reason I bring this up, and this is something we working on to carry as a story on air, is these are two bowlers who can bowl those Yorkers on call.
Yeah.
If Virat Kohli gives the ball to Jasprit Bumrah and says, I want a Yorker, 99 times out of 10 you'll get a Yorker. Same with Shaheen Afridi. Both
Hmm.
of these are fabulous Yorker bowlers, and that's a contest I'm looking forward to as well. Shaheen Afridi is another outstanding bowler, Akhil.
Yes, you mentioned him. So there is one matchup that we have again shortlisted, isn't it, with Shaheen Afridi? He's again the linchpin of the Pakistan lineup, been very, very consistent over the T20 internationals that he's played. But there is one gentleman who's going to open from the Indian team. Like we've now found out that he's going to open the innings. KL Rahul, has he been in better form before this? The kind of batsmanship that he's showing right now, just phenomenal. So Shaheen Afridi bowling to KL Rahul with the new ball, it's going to be a contest.
It is a contest to look forward to, and phenomenal numbers for both of them. Look at Rahul's numbers on the left.
Wow.
49 matches, 5,557 runs. Look at the strike rate, Akhil. That's the most pleasing thing for me. More
Yeah.
than anything, this is the Rahul we want to see. Not a Rahul who plods around, scores at 120. No, that's not what we want. You called it absolutely right. If Rahul bats freely, he's a dream. He's an absolute dream. One of those, fairy tale kind of things. You just sit
Yeah.
there and adore. You just sit there and watch.
Absolutely. I mean, we've seen different versions of KL Rahul, which is what I've admired this year. We've seen
Hmm.
him graft and score centuries, a century, a tough century in England. Then we've seen him play a different role at his franchisee in his franchisee
But
cricket
the
role.
last the last warm up game, wasn't it? Batted like an
Absolutely.
absolute dream. So freely.
Yes, so we've seen different gears, and again, this is a for him. This is the first time that he's going to be playing international in the World Cup. If you remember, or the T20 World
Hmm.
Cup, he
Yeah.
wasn't a part of the squad in the previous version. So for him also, this is a big opportunity. He's in the form of his life. He'll want to create a different niche for himself while in bigger batsmen like Rohit, Virat are around. He'll still want to create a niche for himself and can't get a better opportunity than today.
No, he can't. And India will depend a lot on him because if you saw what happened yesterday,
Yeah,
the spinners wreaked havoc. So,
yeah.
India cannot afford to let the new ball, to let the pacers get away. They've got to score runs of Shaheen Afridi, Haris Rauf, and Hassan Ali. Their 12 overs have got to cost for, you've got to at least score at 7 runs an over. So that's 12 sevens are 84, 90 runs of those pacers. That's when you have a chance. Other than, if you take them out of the equation, who do we have? We've got Shadab Khan, we've got
Hmm.
Imad Wasim, possibly with a 1 over with a new ball and thereafter, and possibly a Shoaib Malik or somebody else. So those 12 overs of pace have to count for at least 90 runs, Akhil.
Absolutely. Pace from both sides, very impressive lineups. But there is one player that he's not played against Pakistan. So this is again a big match for him. I don't know. So I'll put that as a question actually to you, Arun. Would you play Varun Chakravarti today?
I would, and that's the selection call that India are having to make today.
So him over
Three
Ashwin.
him over Ashwin now, yes. On the evidence of what we saw yesterday, the ball's turning a bit. So on the evidence of what we saw yesterday, definitely Varun Chakravarti. And look, if you get on that winning roll, Akhil, if you get on that, on that, get off to a winning start, that's half the job done. And who gives you the best chance of winning a game? Yes, Ashwin's got experience behind him, big match, big occasion player. But I'd still go with Varun Chakravarti tonight. The ball's
Yes,
just
and right.
starting to do a bit.
And we've seen his numbers in the recently concluded Indian T20 League. He was difficult to get away. Just putting it mildly, he was somebody who bowlers. He was getting respect from most of the batsmen. These are numbers which are extraordinary, right? You pick players on form like this, and then you throw him in the match. I guess.
Outstanding numbers these, and like players always say, there's a bit of mystery around him. He's the
Hmm.
mystery bowler, Akhil. So you don't know what's coming. Pakistan don't know what's coming. So
Yeah.
I definitely play him, absolutely. And Varun Chakravarti's stories again, one of stuff of fantasy, Akhil. You know, he was nowhere 2 years ago. 3-4 years ago, he was not even a professional cricketer. And look,
Hmm.
he's playing his first World Cup today.
Amazing dream come true. I'm sure he must have had
And
butterflies.
things can change. Things can change if you believe.
Very true. Well said that. So yes, these are the kind of matchups that India Pakistan games have had over years. So the trend will continue. We must again mention Virat Kohli in T20s versus Pakistan has been phenomenal. And imagine the kind of depth that India has, where we've not spoken about him as being the key player today.
I read a stat somewhere a little while ago which said Virat Kohli in the last three T20 World Cup matches has been unbeaten. Unbeaten, is that right?
Yes, he's not been dismissed versus Pakistan in World T20 games.
So Pakistan, look out! Virat Kohli is coming for you today.
Okay, then matchups. Your call, India, Pakistan, history and stats, which are traditionally your forte. They suggest India, isn't it?
Yeah, history would suggest India. In India have also done reasonably all right. Players are in form. Uh, Difficult one to call. Uh, Let me go with India. India to win, uh, KL Rahul to score a few runs. The question is, how do India cover for the fifth bowler? That's the area of concern.
Hmm.
If India can get away using that fifth bowler smartly, Akhil, India win tonight.
From how the first day has gone around West Indies being bundled out and Australia South Africa match not going a very high scoring game. If you remember, India Pakistan also last time was a low scoring encounter in the 2016 T20 World Cup. So from that way, the way that Indian players are more used to conditions, even I'm thinking India today. It's the first match. I hope they start off with a good momentum. A long World Cup ahead yet.
I can tell you this, though, Akhil, it won't be a low scorer tonight. It will not be a 40 or a 50 run
Okay.
playing a 41 or a 51.
Okay, then
Indians and
that's
Pakistanis will, I mean, I know it sounds strange that I'm saying this, but Indians and Pakistanis will apply better than West Indies did last night.
well said. Then we are sticking our necks and we are saying India favorites today.
India, India.
All right, then. Hoping to have a good game, a very exciting game. We've been waiting for this matchup for years now. So, hoping for a good game, and we'll be back here at Time Out with Sports Adda. Please do send us your comments and feedback about what you think will happen in the match, and we'd love to talk about that and more going ahead.